So 20 inches. Now, y'all, I did word burn this because I've never made this petal before and I just wasn't sure how it was going to work. But I do suggest for your first time, do not try to do this petal with deco mesh. I would try it with the horizontal or the poly, because if you use this first, you're going to see how it really holds up and how to fold it. Whereas we all know meshes, all meshes fold differently, right? The deco mesh is just, even though it's going to work, it's going to try your patience. So I would you do this first to practice and get it down before you go on to any of the other meshes. Okay. So we're going to take this 20-inch piece and we have the serged, cut, cut. We are bringing serged to serged. Okay. So grab you some clips. It's going to make your life easier. So we're just going to clip. And I'm just mashing the top of this down as we go over here, and we're going to clip it. Okay. So that's what we have. We have a 20 by 20 folded in half. So what I do is I'm going to line this line up at the 10. And I've got this one lined up at the 30. So I know our half is 20. So I'm going to take now I've got several of these to fold because I know it's new for a lot of y'all. So I saved 8 just to show y'all. Okay. So I'm going to take my right and you're going to bring it to you. Okay. See what I did? I'm just making like an envelope. So I'm bringing it to me at the 20 and I'm smushing it. Okay. And then you're going to grab another clip and clip it. We're going to do the same thing to this side. We're going to bring this edge to us. Okay. So we're making a house. Y'all hear that wind? Holy moly. And then we're clipping it. Okay. So we have a house. Now we're going to hold these two pieces, grab our tip, and we're going to completely flip it upside down. I'm going to take my right. It does not matter if you start right or left. Does not matter. We're going to take our clip off and we're going to bring this corner up to this corner. So this to the inside middle. So we're just making another triangle. Okay. Now I'm going to do this one step by step. I'm going to go side to side, step by step, and clip it. Okay. We're going to do the same thing here. Take that off, and we're taking this point to the middle. Stay with me, Carol. I promise it's not hard. Okay. So we're just creating a big triangle. That's all we're doing. And clip it. Okay. So now we're going to unclip this part, and we're taking the bottom tip completely to the right tip. just making another triangle. And clip it. We're going to do the same thing here. Bring the bottom to the left. And clip it. That's what all of these petals all are. It's all origami. That's it. Period. Period. It's all origami. Now we're going to take this one, our right-hand side. I'm going to unclip it, and we're going to go along that fold we've created, and we're just going to flip it up, y'all. And clip. Okay, so that's what it looks like from that side. I'm going to do the same thing here. Unclip, flip it up. So all you have is a big triangle and two smaller triangles. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to bring right to left. Completely fold it in half. Right to left. Right? Are you with me? Go ahead and unclip. Making sure these two tips from each side are pretty much lined up. And then you can, I'll do it this way. I'm bringing that tip to a line, and then I'm going to band it at the 1 inch mark. And then I just go in, kind of open them up. You've got your nice heart shape right here. You've got your outside. Now, if you want to create more of a pointed tip, what you could do is take the back. See how it opens up? See, there's Stacy Chadwick's deco petal. Okay. I'm actually going to grab this black. This black was my practice, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Let me unclip or unzip tie what I've already done. I don't think it'll ruin that petal, but I don't want to accidentally pull it. So here's the same petal in black. We're going to open this up. So that's what this tip looks like, right? So to get that pointed tip, you're going to take each side. If you want, take a zip tie. Run it through both sides of that tip. And zip it together. And that will give you more of your pointed tip. Okay. I think it looks fine the way it is, but that will be totally up to you. You could probably just iron the tip as well, but that's a lot of work for me.